Here I've got the Bosch Ergomaster 3-in-1 hand blender. This blender can help you with everything from smoothies to cocktails, and its dynamic speed control is really clever and intuitive. You can adjust the speed with your grip strength. You just hold the handle tighter and you'll get faster blending and smoother results without the need for any complicated controls. It's got a 1000 watt motor, giving you more than enough power to blend and chop through ingredients effortlessly. So let's give it a go. And its ceramic connect technology means it's durable enough to handle almost anything you throw at it. You get 5 accessories in the box that enable you to chop, whisk, mash and more with just this one device. The included beaker is also really useful for when you want to mix smaller quantities without having to use a large bowl. And then when you're done, you just release the accessories with one simple click and then pop each part into the dishwasher for easy, hassle-free cleaning.